Good morning, everybody. It is 7:24 in the morning. It is early for me. And I know y'all 4 a.m. people are already at work at 6 and all that. I can't do it. I'm just making my coffee. I have a coaching call at 8 a.m. and I missed it yesterday because I overslept. So I don't want to miss it today. They give you information about starting a business and where I'm at in my business. So whenever you start a business, you need a coach, and I feel like she's really, really helpful. Her name is the business is Tenacity Cleaning, and I love her. So 8 a.m. start time. Wish me luck. Okay, so I did want to say this quick tip: when you're starting a business, do not use a regular Gmail account for your email. I'm sorry, for your email. Like, don't have it be pupsandpaws at gmail.com or at yahoo.com or something. That's not professional. What you want to do is have, like, say info at yourbusinessname.com. Do not have it at Yahoo or Gmail. It's not professional. When you apply for stuff, they're going to be like, why did you have a Gmail account? Anyone can get a Gmail account. So make sure you do a business email. You can go to wix.com. There's other websites you can go to. But yeah, just a quick tip. So I've already done my business phone number, my website, my email address. I did not do my logo, so I'm going to try to do that today. The two things I do have to do is my LLC and my business bank account. I have all this stuff for my cookie business, but not the new business, which is a cleaning business, by the way. I don't know if I ever mentioned that. It's a remote cleaning business, so wish me luck. So here we go.
Prices over the phone, try to sell that walkthrough, okay? Try to get that walkthrough in, that way.
Hey y'all, so I'm back. I had a lot to do today. My son just finished cooking dinner and I should have videoed that, but I be forgetting I'm not used to, videotaping everything that my kids do. But anyway, I'm back on track here. So these are my two websites, brooksbakery.com, of course, with the cookies, and Alexander Clean Pros. So I'm on Wix.com. I've had Wix for 4 years now. I've never had an issue with them. I want to say it's like $45 a month for everything. It's super user friendly. The setup is basically just drag and drop. You just edit your site. Let's see. Like I said yesterday, my laptop is slow. I might need to invest in something else. It's an HP, but I got it a couple years ago. See, look at this. See, this is crazy. Anyway, so my checklist. This is my checklist. It might look like a lot, but it's really not. The main things I still have to get is my LLC and my business bank account for my second business. I have everything for my first one, but I have not done everything for my second one yet. But yeah, create logo is probably on the top of the list, LLC, and then my business bank account. But yeah, that's it. So this is the website. I love Wix, like I said, because it has so many templates to choose from. Yeah, so I picked this one. You just type in whatever your business is. And yeah, I'm trying to scroll. I don't have my mouse right now. But anyway, and don't try to come over here and book something. I have no cleaners at the moment. There are no cleaners right now. So that's going to be a whole onboarding interview process, which my son said they will help me with. So they're excited about it too, to get this business off the ground. I think it's exciting. I think it's a new opportunity. So yeah, I'm excited about it. Canva is my best friend. I love Canva. If y'all don't know, get into it, because this has so many templates. You can do flyers, you can do social media presentations, all kind of stuff, postcards. I use it so much for my cookie business. I created a logo for the cookie business. Look at that. Isn't that so cute? I did not mean to click on it. Anyway, so we're gonna talk about virtual offices. Make sure you get a virtual office, a professional one. I chose DaVinci. I love DaVinci. They are, so normally a virtual office is gonna cost you, okay? It's gonna cost you like $100 a month, something around there. Do not get iPostal for $9.99. We're not doing that. So yeah, so DaVinci is good. Regis Alliance, those are other ones that are good. They have a lot of different options for you. Again, it depends on what type of business you have. I mean, if you need a virtual space, if you need to go inside and get a meeting, you can do that. You can hire a virtual assistant, stuff like that. So that's just one thing. This guy right here, Ty Crandall, he talks about business credit. Look him up on YouTube. He talks about a lot of good things on business credit. So I looked him up, and he has a lot of good things to say. Let's see, what else was I doing? Oh, yeah. So anyway, so today I'm going to work on my website some more and try to get a logo. I'll probably have to go to Canva and create a logo. I heard that AI logo something is good as well, so I'll be doing that. So anyway, I'll be back. So I found this website, design.com, find the perfect logo, start for free. So I did log in, and yeah, so all these nice logos on here. It has a wide selection. So I'm gonna go through and find something. Look at this, 250 pages, and I'm only on page 3. So I'm gonna go through and find something that I love. So on that other website, I saw there was a cost. You can start for free, but your logo is going to cost. So I came on to Canva and I put cleaning logo for commercial cleaning. And as you can see, it already has a lot of good logos on here. So what I'm going to do is grab one, something very simple, edit it to my business name, and keep it moving. Okay, so after searching and trying to clean this up a little bit, this is what I came up with. This part was already here, the clean part. I forgot what it said under here, but I changed it to my business name and then polished, powerful, professional. And then I added this little spray bottle for extra little fun there. You can add whatever you want. You just type in whatever your cleaning spray bottle. I could type in mop or mop bucket, whatever, and add that to my logo. But yeah, that's what I came up with. Nothing too crazy. I just wanted something simple so I can move on. Okay, thanks y'all for watching. This is my last video for the night. I know it wasn't a super interesting video. I know it's probably boring for a lot of y'all, but just showing the process and how to get started. I do want to say this, that it's very important to have an accountability partner just to keep you on your toes, just to keep you on track. I met a girl in my group for the coaching mentoring thing, and she was asking me questions. What did you do today? Did you finish this? I know you said you had to do that. So, and vice versa. So she really helped me. She's really helping me in just making sure I have everything that I'm supposed to do. Also, my checklist that I showed y'all earlier, having a checklist and checking things off helps me a lot. And that's just in everyday life as well, just having a checklist. So that helped me a lot. Having my partner is really good. So thank y'all for watching and hope you enjoy the next video.